Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here.
We're going to make a Celtic Triquetra ring with a paper clip. Just very slowly go ahead and straighten it out. So we're just going to take the paper clip and just round this one around. And then we're going to take the needle nose pliers and we're going to bend it at about 3/8 of an inch. Bring it around. We're going to gently curve it around here. So now we want to bend it about the same distance there, right here. Give it a little bend, just eyeball it. You can always trace the shape if you want. And we're going to curve that one around. Bring that one up. And then here too, we want to curve it around. The idea is this curve is the same as that curve. At the same distance that is, we're going to bend it here. Bend that in, give it a sharp bend. Bring this one around. We're just going to bring this one around. So once you have that done, we're going to get a round form and we're just going to wind it around the round form, a ring mandrel or a marker. Just push it down, and then this end we'll want to curve it out a little bit. So just take your pliers and curve it out a teeny bit. You can kind of push that one underneath so it's hidden. And there you have a super simple Triquetra knot ring made with a paper clip.
Thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.